properties close to the project site, so no impacts foreseen. Recreation and other public spaces and facilities. Kanan Island is at a distance of more than 20 kilometers is used for recreational activities. However, recreational boats enter the area. We can further mention that private boats is restricted in the project area. So can we further say that by mistake someone can enter the project area, or there is no chance?
I mean, in my opinion, we can remove this statement.
Okay.
Because it is all fully controlled area. So I mean, this is actually very general. However, can enter by mistake. So anything can happen by mistake.
By mistake. Yes. Actually, we are doing this for so long time. So following the regulators' comments, following the HSE comments.
No, but okay.
We add
this is our point.
Yeah.
But if as a HSE consultant, you understand that yes, it can happen by mistake. So yes, let it be there.
Okay, we can keep it.
Yeah.
Recreational and fishing boats will be restricted to enter the project area. This will be not minor, we can put it notable. Notable and rare. Rarely anyone can come there, so they will be restricted. And basically the impact is that they will lose some time. Time for their basically the impact is that they will be affecting by loss of time, 1 hour, half hour, something like that. That's why we are putting it notable and rare. So now offshore is already doing some engagements with fishing communities. Fishing and recreational communities are stakeholders, so they will continue their activities. Early engagement to inform the stakeholders about the access restrictions. Tourism. There is no tourism spot close to the project site. Nearest is at Sarbaniyas Island at a distance of 90 kilometers, so no impacts from the project. Protected area. There is no there are 2 protected areas in the vicinity. Let me show you the areas. One is Mubaraz Island, Marava Marine Biosphere Reserve. This is at a distance of we can say 46 kilometers from project site, and this is from the project away, but the project transport can move, will be moving through this protected area. So let's see. The pipeline route partially passes through Abu Al Sayyaf Marine Protected Area. There is a minor risk of degradation of water quality during accidental scenarios from the vessels passing through the MPA. Accidental leakage of.
No, this pipeline route partly passes through. This is not clear.
There is a minor risk. No, pipeline. No, the marine transport. Marine transport route partially passes through Abu Al Sayyaf Marine Protected Area, and there is a minor risk of degradation of water quality during accidental leak, leakage of oil. From the vessels passing through the MPA, although it's if it happens, then it will be a minor impact, but a rare one. This may not be possible all the time. So, what is the mitigation measure? Close engagement with Abu Dhabi. No EAD by the corporate social risk management team or of the ADNOC offshore to report, to protect, prevent. No, they don't need regular engagement with EAD because it's a routine activity. But in case of any accident, I think we can change the writer engagement. With Abu Dhabi Environment Protection Agency by the corporate social risk management team of ADNOC offshore during emergency accident. Is there anyone from HSE, corporate HSE in the team, in the participants? I want to confirm this statement that do you need to coordinate with the EAD in any marine leakage or any accidental scenarios within this area, or you manage it by yourself? Because we shouldn't write any such statement which is not applicable or which is not acceptable to HSE.
Can we go back on this? There is a minor risk of degradation of water quality. There is a no foreseen. So we are discussing on the row 21. There is a minor risk of degradation of water quality during accidental leakage of oil from vessel passing through the MPA accidental leakage. Okay. Engagement with the Abu Dhabi Authority by the corporate social risk management team of the offshore during accidental situation product. Prevent any risks and report any accidental impacts on the, this can be the suggested